Good afternoon. It's Monday, April the 3rd. Lots of progress here in the last week. Just walk around the outside. Got all the siding for the exterior sitting here delivered on site. The windows are in. The front door's in. The sheetrock's stocked in the house. And the shingles are up on top of the roof, ready to be nailed on. Shot of that. So this will probably be the last time I see it. Looks like they're about to get the exterior really looking good. All the wiring is in the house. The heating and air vents are all tightened and sealed up from where I saw them last time. All the windows are weatherproofed. This is the wiring, for the air conditioner. See, you're wired up for your TV. And let's see, on the back porch. Everything looks great. More sheetrock inside the house, ready to be hung. Take a look around here. Lots of windows in the back. Take that back. That side over there was for the grinder pump. This is the air conditioner. Wrong on that one. But yeah, air conditioner here, the grinder pump for the sewer on the other side. You can see the shingles are up on the roof. The electric service is built on the wall. Lots of progress here in the last week. Put the fireproofing on that wall. See all your electrical for your garage doors installed. Electric panel in the garage. Still got some plumbing to do. If you look at the ductwork, see all the white, it looks like glue, it's got mastic, seals the air. Oh, they did a really good job of sealing up all the vents, the registers. So all the air goes into your living area and not out into your attic. Did a great job with that. Every one of them are sealed. I walked through earlier before I started videoing. That was something I saw last week that needed to be buttoned up, and they did a good job with it. I mean, they're doing so far so good in my opinion. Get a better idea of Here's a look from your island. And then your kitchen, all your cabinets, range, pantry. They sealed the doors up. They put them with the foam. Make the house nice and tight. Keep the energy bills low. So they still got some plumbing to do, but the electrical and the air conditioning HVAC looks about 100% to me. Just need the plumbing and some insulation, and they'll be ready to put the sheetrock up, which obviously they're getting ready to do. Okay, happy Monday. Easter week, it's a big week. Talk to you soon. Bye.